Walk it.
I'm just warning you now.
I just want to make sure I got that on film. What's that? Get what on film?
Those apples actually aren't bad.
Get what on film?
Do not get that on film.
What's that?
You saw.
No,
Yeah,
I'm
that
good,
was the
I'm good.
whole from my video.
Oh, okay. That was ridiculous.
That used to be the ATV's vinyl,
Oh, okay.
but not many people go through it, so all that silt and stuff settles back in it.
Right.
You can make it through it easier than when back in the day when it was dug out.
Right.
When it was dug out. Oh, I'm talking big, big four-wheelers. Swamp. Especially when they lean to the right.
Alvean, what's this about?
Stop talking about this. He did it. He did it while he was riding with us.
Don't be looking at me.
You gonna hit it next?
Maybe later on.
After a few beverages?
Yeah.
What size is this one? That's 570?
570.
How do you like it?
It's not bad. It's pretty good.
My little cousin just bought one of these.
Really? This is my first bike actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
Yeah,
Pretty nice. I like
see
it.
how it works.
It's a bigger bike than mine, technically. Mine's a 500.
Is it? This Honda's pretty good.
Yeah. No horsepower, but it's got a little bit of torque.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna hit it next?
No, he wants to.
Hey, but y'all floated y'all's bike.
Yeah.
But that don't float.
Yeah.
It's later on.
I ain't gonna be in it.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, it's roll.
You ready?
The other two holes I'm talking about are pretty bad.
What's that?
I think the other two holes I'm talking about, I think they're worse than that.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, damn. Trying to break my bike.
Huh?
Trying to break my bike?
Mine's about to be.
There it is. The Bulldog. I like that thing.
I got a new plate skid I want to try out.
How's it doing?
Last time we tried it, I went 3 hours and flipped it.
Oh, shit.
This is the second time I've tried.
Y'all ready? Follow y'all. What? Oh, I didn't know it went all the way around. My bad.
I was gonna video y'all coming out.
My bad. I thought it came out right there and that was it.
I'm limited on how many times I can get in and out.
I got you. Understandable. Nice. Is it popping? That's your axle? Damn. Let me go through that? Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's bullshit. Snorkels, you go first.
Me first?
Yeah.
That shit looks bad.
Doesn't it? Hey, is that your brake caliper hanging back there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's in my
Oh, okay.
or
That looks really bad, not gonna lie.
yeah, you should be behind me so you can jump.
So I can follow you?
Yeah.
In a second. I'll record you first.
Oh, man, I'm not deep in it.
Oh yeah. Tell my wife to get a look.
That looks really bad.
Watch it be like nothing.
Walk it.
Watch it. I don't know what's on.
Shit.
No.
All right, go ahead.
Oh shit.
Get it, Snorkel.
Oh shit.
It's thick.
It's all mud.
There it is. And that was the end of Snorkel.
Hey, this side.
There you go.
It's working right now.
Okay. Don't listen to coach. Stop, boy. Huh?
I don't got no football to step on.
Yeah.
Jeez, look at that
I
stuff.
listening to coach. There you go.
That looks bad. That looks real bad.
There you go. Take it back up the way it is.
Damn.
All right, stop. Don't you fucking go no further.
Bad?
Don't you do it.
Why not? Let him.
Is it bad?
All right, well, I'm warning you that if you go in there, you can lose your bike.
Is that bad?
Walk it.
I'm just warning you now.
Walk it. If it's that bad, I'm not seeing it. Walk it.
Walk it.
Walk it.
Oh, wait till he gets out over here.
Oh. Oh.
Turn around.
What was that
Because
line?
it ain't bad right here. It's bad when you get where it starts narrowing up. Going that way.
What was the famous line you always said? Turn around, don't drown.
Yeah, don't drown, turn around.
Oh, that's on the signs in Houston.
Is it really?
That's the old George Bush saying.
All in the fucking when we had the hurricane.
look it up.
Turn around.
Don't have to pull me out that way.
Huh?
Don't have to pull me out that way.
I don't have my tackle test.
Whoa.
Now reverse.
And bike's gone.
I have brakes on the side.
Oh shit.
You gotta remember the brakes. Alright. Now cut it this way.
Carlos, you want? Oh, you changed your mind, huh?
Changed my mind.
Hey, your camera's crooked. Already.
Gosh, dang it. Are you serious? Is it still crooked?
Not anymore.
Thank you. God.
Reverse.
See that?
Mr. Bill getting down over there. Not bad.
Yeah, I'll swim across that sucker in a minute.
So I guess that's pretty deep, though.
Shorty said you'll lose your bike in there.
Right here.
What? What's that? Oh no, I'm good.
It's your turn.
I'm good. I got tired watching you.
You done the other one.
I did one hole already. I reached
And you
my.
know what's crazy?
What's that?
This one's bad. That one's worse. That one over there,
These are all the big trucks go through, or what?
that's where the big trucks go through.
Yeah.
A lot of big side-by-sides hit this. Trucks hit that one.
There's not a lot of traction through here either, so they learned.
No, they learn quick. Well, look at the ledge on the other side.
Yeah, no shit. Freaking ridiculous. All right, let's keep going. Let's y'all gonna try now.
Negative.
That's an NO for show from me.
See, that's your size, bro.
Oh, get the hell out of here.